back to my channel. So today I have created this look for you guys. It's like a fun gold and purple type of look, and basically this tutorial is going to be, excuse that, but this tutorial is based around making your eyes appear bigger, and I hope you'll find it very helpful. I apologize for my hair. I just have my little kitty band on because obviously I am a mommy and I don't really have time to do my hair before filming. I have a busy day ahead of me too, and Cadence is literally right here in her little swing watching me, and I don't want her to cry and I don't want to, you know, take too long. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to know how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So I already have my base on, and today we're going to be working with another deck of Scarlet palette, which I'm really excited about, and I've talked about them many times. And this palette is in collaboration with Belle Jordan. What I'm excited about is that this palette is in the purple family, so that's exciting. I haven't really played around with purples in a while, so yeah. And if you hear some noises in the background, that's Cadence. She's just right there chilling on her little swing. So Deck of Scarlet is a subscription service where every 2 months you get a new palette for $29.95, and this season's palette comes with 3 eyeshadows, 2 cheek colors, so it's like a blush and a highlight. And excuse my nails, they're ratchet right now. And then you also get 2 lip colors, and you also get the first ever a Deck of Scarlet mascara. So we're going to be trying this out today. So if you're interested in purchasing this palette or any other Deck of Scarlet palettes, I have a special link for you guys. You can get 30% off. I will leave the link down in the description box below. And as I said, this palette is in collaboration with Belle Jordan, which is also a YouTuber here. They always collab with YouTubers, which is really amazing. Deck of Scarlet is cruelty free and paraben free. I want to focus on giving tips on how to make your eyes look a little bit bigger. As you can tell, I have Asian eyes. I mean, I don't have the smallest Asian eyes, and I do have hooded eyes. So what I like to do is, of course, make my eyes appear bigger. So yeah. So first, I'm just gonna go ahead and take some brown colors here, and I'm gonna pop that onto the I can't talk. I'm going to pop that brown onto the crease, just back and forth, windshield wiping motion. And what I like to do is just always take this color all the way from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner. So now that the brown is laid out, we are going to take the color Drama right here, and I'm gonna start with a really light hand just because I don't know how dark this gets. So with this color, I'm just focusing it on the outer corner. So now I'm gonna go back to the browns that we used on the crease. It's gonna intensify that a little bit. And cutting the crease will really help your eyes look bigger. So I'm just gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm gonna cut half of my crease. You guys have already seen me do this a lot in my videos. I'm gonna go above the fold of my my natural fold, you know, so that way my eye will appear bigger. I'm just gonna take like a nude color and just set that. So you can already just leave it like this for the eye look if you want, if you don't want to do purples and stuff like that, but of course I do. I'm gonna take the Supernova color right here. Ooh, excuse my nose. And I'm gonna focus that color like on the center right there. And then next I'm gonna take the color so that's the highlight. I'm gonna flip the brush over and pop that on to the beginning part. Alright, and then I'm gonna put the light browns underneath on my lash line. And we want to avoid putting eyeliner in the waterline, especially black eyeliner. You can do white or like a nude color to make your eyes look larger, appear larger, and appear more awake. But I just skipped the eyeliner, period. And then I'm gonna take the Deck of Scarlet mascara, and this is in Blackout. I'm just gonna apply that to the lashes, top and bottom. All right, so while we wait for the glue to dry, we're just gonna go ahead and apply the highlight. So again, I'm gonna go into like a nice gold, ooh, a golden highlight. You guys already know I love my highlight blinding, and I love golden highlights. I can't forget about the blush. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I don't know if you guys know by now, but I'm not really a blush kind of girl. Just gonna put a little bit right there. Ooh, this is actually pretty. It's like a muted color, so it's not bad. All right, so now that the lashes are on, you can definitely tell the difference. My eyes look so much bigger. I feel like eyelashes are just the icing, or no, the cherry on top. So another tip that I want to give you guys is that make sure you kind of like push your lash up with the back of like a brush or something like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my inner corner. Because when you highlight your inner corner, it just brings your eyes out more. So use like a nice light color. You could use like light gold or like a white. All right guys, so now onto the lips. I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with this Flower Beauty Petal Pout lip liner in Toffee. And then I'm gonna be using the color Tempting right here. I'm gonna top it off with my lip gloss. It's called Barely There. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Deck of Scarlet. I will leave a direct link down below. And if I have any discount codes also, I'll leave that down below. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are wondering when I will be announcing the giveaway winner for my last video, I will be announcing it in my next video. So watch out for that. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.